Still copying items one by one into categories. Stop wasting time copying data manually. Use filter formula equal filter open bracket, select the item range and then control select the category range equal select the category items and close the bracket and log the reference by using dollar symbol. So the same formula you can copy and paste into other cells, into other categories. Just drag and let Excel do the work automatically. One formula, zero manual work. Save time, work smarter, follow for more Excel hacks.